I'm afraid to say there's been a bit of friction in the Peacock household this week. You see, I'm a solar nerd, and the only way I'll reach my dream of 100% powering my home with solar is to rip out the gas meter and replace it with electricity. And that means ripping out the gas hob. You know where I'm going here, yeah? My wonderful wife thinks you can't cook properly on electricity. Her last experience of cooking on electric was in her student hovel, one of those crap electric hob things. So join us now as we do the ultimate road test, cooking on gas versus cooking on induction. I'm here with Luigi's Delicatessen, joined by Luigi in his beautiful industrial kitchen. How you doing, Luigi?
Beautiful, mate. I'm looking forward. Hey, the induction versus the gas.
Now, just independent opinion.
Yes.
Is this a fair test?
Well, it looks to be. We've got the same amount of water in the pot. We've got an egg each, both from the same chicken.
Yep.
I believe, yes, we're at a fair start.
Now we're going to do something a bit out of the ordinary for a professional like you. We're going to start with the egg in the water.
That's right. You normally wouldn't, but let's do it.
Then we're going to see which one's first to boil.
Yeah.
And then we're going to wait 3 minutes, and then we're going to pull out both eggs.
Yeah.
Then we're going to crack them open.
Yeah.
See which one looks the best.
Sounds very exciting.
Should we do this?
Gentlemen, start your pots. Ready, set, go. My egg's in.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're on.
Okay. Good fun watching water boil.
Amazing.
Huh? Having a blast.
In terms of electricity, it's pulling 1800 watts, 1.86 kilowatts, so
Right.
it's a good chunk of power. So Louis, got any kids or anything?
Yeah. 3.
3 kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
You?
Yeah, I've got 3 kids too.
Oh, brilliant. Half a dozen between us.
That's right.
All fertilised eggs.
Yes.
Yeah. What's happening over there? You got a little bit of a boiler?
Some bubbling.
I tell you what, mine's not bubbling as much, so I reckon the induction's just got its nose in front at the moment. What type of induction burner did you get?
This was from IKEA, and it was 59 bucks.
Is that it?
Till Reda.
Hey Finn, do you like singing?
I quite like rapping.
Oh yeah? Can you rap that some more?
I don't know the words. I can rap the Solar Quotes rap.
Go on.
solarquotes.com.au. If you need a quote, we'll make it happen for you.
Oh, I like it, I reckon.
Hey, we both have a love of music.
We do. And we're not yoking with each other either.
Oh, we have action.
Well, I can see it starting to boil up. And this one here is lagging behind a little bit. The induction is way ahead at the moment.
We're getting close. 5 seconds to go, Luigi.
4,
3,
2,
1.
0.
Let's do it.
All right, let's take them off. There's your induction egg. There's your gas egg. This is your egg on the left with the induction.
Yep.
This is the gas egg over here.
Tension's killing me, mate.
The big test. Okay, let's do a bit of a crack. It's a 3-minute boil. Let's have a look inside. Look at that, nice and runny, beautiful. Okay.
Is that good?
That's good. That's a really nice egg. Let's have a look how far we've got with the, as you can see, not as developed there, mate. It's still quite undercooked with the...
So if you served that one at Luigi's Delicatessen...
That's a little bit underdone. So that one there you can see is a little bit more intact. This one here, obviously still a little bit undercooked. It's been a pleasure having you today. Our egg off is knocked off. We've had a ball. Thank you.
I feel like I made a friend for life.
Well, yeah, hug her. Oh, come on then. He's a good boy. Come back anytime you like. Mi casa, tu casa.
I think we can safely say it's induction 1, gas 0. And I've got to say, darling, looks like we've got many years of induction cooking together to look forward to. Everything you need to know about solar, batteries, electricity, energy efficient appliances, visit us at solarquotes.com.au.